In the heart of the vibrant town of Villarmonia, where colorful houses are packed together like beads on a necklace, Mayor Ana was preparing for a momentous announcement. In Plaza Central, adorned with a stone fountain and surrounded by ancient trees, the air buzzed with the energy of the townspeople. Mayor Ana, a figure of elegance and poise, stood ready to address the eager crowd. Dear neighbors, Ana's voice resonated through the speakers. This year, Villarmonia will witness an unprecedented event, the Festival of Colors, a celebration of our rich diversity, a mosaic of cultures that defines us. The crowd erupted into applause and cheers. The idea of a festival honoring each family's traditions resonated deeply in their hearts. The news of the festival ignited a spark of excitement in every home. The Rodriguez family, with their deep roots in Mexican folklore dance, dusted off their mariachi outfits and began practicing zapateado steps. The Chen family, whose ancestors journeyed from distant China, filled their kitchen with the aromas of ginger and soy sauce as they prepared spring rolls and dumplings. The O'Malley family, with their Irish heritage, tuned their fiddles and bagpipes ready to fill the air with Celtic melodies. The Kumar family, originating from India, crafted intricate rangoli designs with colored powders, transforming the pavement into a canvas of ephemeral art. The children, unaware of cultural divides, became ambassadors of goodwill. Playing together in the streets, they exchanged stories and learned about each other's customs. Diversity, instead of being a barrier, became a bridge that united them. On the day of the festival, Plaza Central transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors, textures, and sounds. The stalls, adorned with flags and garlands, offered a symphony of culinary delights: spicy tamales, aromatic samosas, sweet baklava, and many other delicacies. The children, dressed in traditional attire, ran among the crowd, their laughter filling the air. The adults, donned in their finest clothes, shared stories and memories, celebrating the heritage of their ancestors. The festival was a testament to the unity and diversity of Villarmonia, a celebration of cultures woven together in harmony.